Hi, today we have a 2002 Tracker. This is a Model Pro D V16, 16 foot. It's a great fishing boat. We do these videos to show you some of the nice features that it has. This one's got a Tracker Pro Series 60 horse outboard, power tilt and trim. This is an all aluminum hull. It's recently been winterized, and we keep it indoor into that garage that's heated with other boats that we have. This one's got a matching Tracker Trail Star trailer, easy load, swing away tongue in the front. The jacks and the cranks all are in working order. The rollers are in nice shape. It's got a Minn Kota trolling motor. We're going to open up some of the compartments to show you. There's a fish finder up in the front there, controls. Let's start with this storage right here. It's where your dual batteries are. There's a lock on it, yep. We'll open up that side compartment. It's got all the owner's instructions that come with it. Let's show some of those. All the instructions that came with it are in there. There's a lot of books in there. Most of it are related to the fish finders and the depth finders. You got full instrumentation, full gauge, tilt and trim control here, as well as on the side of the motor. Let's look at some of the compartments up in the front. You got your paddles, your foot controls. Let's open up some of these compartments here. Nice deep storage area. Now folks, if you have any questions about this 2002 Tracker with the easy load trailer, give us a call. We have other boats that we store in here in our heated storage space. Any questions you have, give us a call. Thank you.